So 226 would be ideal, but 225, yeah, is like an early trade. But safer side is 226. No one's in yet. It was too quick for everyone to get in. Everyone's just watching. Tesla's like a dead fish. Whoa, look at Tesla. We could be glad we didn't enter any positions. Tesla is confused. There's a lot of wicks everywhere. Same thing goes with Netflix. And Nvidia came down. Came back up. 220 on the downside. Possible sell for Tesla. Looking at the 220 selling point. Sell position on Tesla, I'm gonna get in. It's close to there. Just watching Tesla now. Tech 100 is confirming a sell-off, so this may be a possible trade. Yeah. Here we go. I'm in. Stop loss is at 221.50. You just need a red candle. There it goes. Hold on. Nasdaq needs to die here. Tech 100. There we go. There we go. Take profit when comfortable. I'm about to get out. Contract moved a lot. Oh. Everyone seems to say this is the only play they want to play on the downside. You got out, yeah. Yeah, I'm looking to get out. Look, I'm out. Yo. Although I didn't make much, it was only like £49 today. Yeah. Yeah. There is still more room on Tesla. Oh, there we go. Holy shit. Either way, I think we did a pretty good job today. Yeah, even though the buy trades weren't something we played, but this downward play was.
Blowing smoke, doing coke, fucking badass bitches by the coast.